Good day and welcome to Landwatch, your source of the latest updates on agrarian reform in the Philippines. I am Cheryl J. Bonanza and today we're diving deep into the impact and significance of agrarian reform in our nation's development.
Agrarian reform is essentially the redistribution of land to landless farmers. It aims to promote social justice, increase agricultural productivity, and alleviate poverty in rural areas.
To start, can you give us a brief overview of what agrarian reform is all about, Ms. Leo?
Agrarian reform plays a crucial role in fostering inclusive growth by empowering farmers with the land ownership. It boosts their income, encourages investment in agriculture, and promotes rural development.
What is the significance of agrarian reform in the Philippines development?
I'm Iza Maralilio, reporting live from Barangay Lacandula, where we're seeing firsthand the effect of agrarian reform to the lives of Filipino farmers.
Let's go to our on-the-field segment. Can you share a story about a farmer who has benefited from agrarian reform?
Sa wala pang agrarian reform, ako sa lamang kantinan farmer. Nagtrabaho sa yuta nga dili ako lisod kaayo ang pagpangita ug ikabuhi. Ug ang akong pamilya naglisod sa pagsuyo. Apan sa dihang nadawat nako ang akong kagalingong yuta pinaagi sa carp, ang tanang kausab karon ako adunay kasiguraduhan nga makahatag pagpamuhunan sa akong uma, pagpauswag sa akong abot o pagpa-eskwela sa akong mga anak. Nang agrarian reform naghatag kanako og paglaom alang sa mas maayong kaugmaon.
That's a powerful story indeed. Now let's turn to the challenges and opportunities in agrarian reform. What are some of the hard lessons in implementing the program?
Challenges include land valuation disputes, bureaucratic delays, and resistance from landowners. However, there are also opportunities to strengthen support services for farmers, improve land administration, and promote sustainable agriculture.
What can be done to ensure the success of agrarian reform in the Philippines?
It requires a collaborative effort from the government, civil society, and the private sector. We need to invest in farmer education, provide access to credit and technology, and promote market linkages for agricultural products.
Thank you, partner, for the insightful report. As we can see from this chart, agrarian reform has made significant strides in transforming the lives of Filipino farmers. However, there is still much work to be done to fully realize its potential. That's all the time we have for tonight. Thank you for joining us on Landwatch.
And remember, agrarian reform is not just about land, it's about empowering people and building a better future for our nation.
Sa wala pang agrarian reform, ako sa lisod kaayo ang pagpangita og kinabuhi. Ug ang akong pamilya naglisod na sa pag Ayo na ikaw. Sa wala pang agrarian reform, ako sa lamang kantinan farmer. Nagtrabaho sa yuta nga dili ako. Lisod kaayo ang pagpangita og kinabuhi. Ug ang akong pamilya naglisod na sa pag Ayo na ikabuhi. Sa wala pang agrarian term. Yawa ang ito kung ito.
Dili ako Idiritso, dili ako
Dili.